I'm not gonna lie. I love being Jamaican. I love being Jamaican. We are the bomb. I mean, we do have some wicked, dirty, nasty people, but for the most part,
who's that wicked?
We are the bomb.
I was looking at some of the videos on people's reactions to how like the Jamaicans were handling this whole Melissa situation. I admire the resilience of the culture. I really do. And I believe that as the world was watching, people were like, you know what? Because of the resilience of how they're handling this, I want to visit your country again because y'all just put a smile on my face. So, yeah, Jamaicans, they'll be all right. And I'm so happy to see a lot of people are pitching in and helping, you know, the parts of the country that were affected. And the people who have not visited Jamaica, I know a lot of people are going to want to visit simply because of the way that the Jamaicans were handling. A lot of people were like, you know what? I like how y'all get down, and I'm going to go ahead and buy a plane ticket. Hopefully y'all not washed away, but I'm going to buy a plane ticket and I want to visit your country because y'all are so much fun. Y'all go ahead, buy your plane ticket and visit Jamaica if you haven't been there. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, okay?
Jamaicans always find a reason to laugh even on their lowest. We saw videos circulating on social media of Jamaicans enjoying and basking out in the Hurricane Melissa. Why is this so? It is because they have endured so much that they embrace every tough economic times that fell on them. This episode today is about uplifting Jamaicans after they were hit by the Hurricane Melissa. Also, I have videos and encouraging word to Jamaicans to hold on, and God is here to comfort you, and God will surely forsake you and bring you out to the place you were before. Let's stand hand in hand with Jamaicans because this is not an easy journey at all. Many people lost their life, many people lost their loved ones, food is scarce, shelter destroyed, but Jamaicans still find a reason to smile and smile back at the world. All the donations given to Jamaica, this is a reflection of how Jamaicans are truly loved worldwide. Let's watch the following videos of people encouraging Jamaicans that this storm will surely come to pass. Your country will be at its foot again, and you will rebuild your country back to where it was. Let's watch the following, and they will come back at the end and discuss more implications why we are saying Jamaicans are truly resilient people on this planet.
Let me say something about these Jamaicans. One thing that I've been learning about this whole Hurricane Melissa thing, Jamaicans know how to survive. Like, they know how to survive. They know how to appreciate life. Like, I've talked to some people that's been through this, and, you know, this is devastating. It's devastating. Like, the stuff that I'm hearing is devastating. But one thing that they all had in common, they all said, I'm thankful I have a life. I'm alive. And it's definitely taught me how grateful we need to start being for the little things that we have and not to think about the things that we don't have. Another thing is just having patience. Having patience. Some of these people don't have power, don't have internet, don't have food, but they're thankful. They're thankful. And another thing is, the ones that have food, they're sharing it with everybody around them. If somebody got one slice of bread, if it's 10 people around, somebody got a bite off of that bread. So people on this internet with this whole mess with these Black Americans and Jamaicans or whatever. I'm a Black American, and I'm definitely sitting back, taking notes, like almost impressed how these people are going through this and they're just still thankful. I don't hear none of these Jamaicans complaining. Some of them don't have nothing. Are outside right now and they're saying, I'm thankful I have life. We need to really take notes. We need to really take notes.
Psalm 46 verse 1 tells us that God is our refuge, a very present help in times of trouble. Jamaica, we are in the time of trouble. But I just wanted to come on here to remind you that He has not forsaken us. He has not forgotten us. A matter of fact, now is the time when we run into Him, because He is our refuge and He is our strength. We're doing what we can on the ground to help to rebuild our country, but at the same time, there's a level of brokenness beyond what we're even seeing in the physical. The mental and the emotional damage that has been done to us, it's vast, it's wide, it's great. We have all endured damage. I know you feel the heaviness that's in the atmosphere. It's so tangible, it's so potent. But Psalm 46 verse 1 tells us that when we have situations and we need help, we run to Him. We lean in to Him. As we are out here doing life and trying our best to move forward, I challenge you to spend some time and just pour out to Him. Those feelings that you're feeling, the mental blocks, the hurt, the uncertainty, the guilt, the frustration, for those in the West who are actually going through the physical hardship of this time, lean into Him. No emotion is too strong, no burden is too much for Him to take from you. We need peace. We need peace, and peace only comes from God. Today my pastor spoke about it, about God being still in control. So we're not hopeless. We have a hope, and we have a help. We have a refuge. Remember yesterday I was driving, and as I said, I feel the feeling as well. And I remember I was there and I was like, God, I don't even know what to say to you right now. And I just heard the song in my spirit. You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other reaches to me. And I just sang it over and over and over. There was just a feeling of refreshing. I felt strength coming to me just by singing it to Him. And so don't forget where your help come from. It's not from man. It has never come from man. It has always came from God. And God uses people to bless. But don't forget the source. So in this time, run to the author and the finisher of your faith. Run to your strength. Run to your refuge. Don't run away from Him. He's calling you back to Himself.
Can we get into a conclusion and say that Jamaicans are truly the most resilient people in this planet? They endured tough times with laughter on their face. Tough economic times are not here to last, but Jamaicans clearly show the planet that this storm will surely come to pass. With support from all over the world, this is a true reflection of how Jamaicans are loved worldwide. From being the most influential country in the Caribbean, other countries have not been left behind. Free food donation, and financial support has been given to Jamaica. Billions of dollars have been poured into the Jamaican economy to support and uplift the Jamaicans. This episode today is all about giving Jamaicans a heart that this will surely come to pass. It is a wave that most countries face, and it is Jamaicans' turn, but surely it is not something that will last forever. It is something that will only be here for a matter of seconds, a matter of weeks, and you will soon forget about this. Hurricane Melissa destroyed both food and shelter, but Jamaicans have shown the world they can laugh at their hardship and also hide their sorrows. You could see from the videos circulating all over the social media that Jamaicans embrace their hard times. That's a lesson that most countries should learn. When you are in your lowest, kindly always show laughter in your face so that your opponent and your enemies cannot read your mind. I would like to know your thoughts about this episode. Can we indeed agree and say Jamaicans are truly resilient? Let's engage more on the comment section, and remember, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you on the next episode, where we'll continue to uplift the Jamaican family and we'll continue to showcase the world how Jamaicans are truly the best. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.